Hi, in this video you see one of our strategies we use for trading the stock indices, which is part of the bundle you may have subscribed or you are interested in. What you see here is a mechanical system which trades swings in the market. Swing is basically a short-term move which can last, you see here, for a couple of days, maybe a week or two. These swings we trade from the long and from the short side, so you may profit from a increasing market as well as profiting from a declining market. So what you see here is the arrows, the blue arrows. Here's the S&P 500 stock market index, which is the blue arrows, which shows there is a long position at hand. And if you see his white arrow, we close the long position. When this line, this dotted line is green, we exited with profit. And when this dotted line is red, like here, we exited with a loss. You see here, because of the long-term uptrend in the market, you see only long positions, but there's also the possibility to trade short positions. So this strategy is based on 4 different rules, which are purely mechanical. So the only thing what I do is I develop this system, but I check it every morning whenever I see a trade coming up or whenever I see a signal coming up. I will send it out to you as a reader. Here, last trades we had a long position here, a long position there, and a long position there. We have 3 long positions, and we exited here. So in total, this system is performing very well. And I will show you the so-called strategy performance report. The strategy performance report shows you how portfolio may have developed if you have traded the strategy from the very beginning. And you see we have more than 300 points, 300 trades in the S&P 500. And here's the equity curve. It looks very nice because it is going from the left corner down to the right corner in the upside. So this is very nice strategy. And if we have a look on some basic figures, we see that we have here a profit factor, which is for me, which is a very important measure to evaluate a system in terms of risk management. Normally you seek for profit factors of 1.3, 1.5 or so, and here the profit factor is 4. And you trade the long side, you have 4.46. The number is close to 4.5. The number is 3.7, which is a great number for this system. And you see we have made some good profits in the last couple of years. And if you want to know the annual performance of the system, it is unleveraged. It is 27.4%, which is also, I think, a very great number. If you look at what the stock market returning annually, on average, it is 5 times better number. And if we do the trade analysis, I will show you the total list of trade. You see that we have, in terms of profitability, we have 77% of trades are winners, and it's very similar whether we trade long or short. On the short side, on average, we gain $1,168 per trade, and the average win trade is close to $2,000. The average win trade, and the average losing rate is approximately 1,700 euros. I'm sorry. So average win-loss ratio is 1.2, which means that you on average gain 20% more than you lose. And on average we are 7.5 days in the market. So this is what I said from the very beginning. It is really a swing system, so a couple of days. This system works also not only for the S&P, which you see here with the S&P 500, works also for the Nasdaq, of course. And the Nasdaq, I will show you the results in a second. Here is the Nasdaq index. You see it here. If we go to the performance report, performance curve, you see also a very steady upward sloping equity curve, which is very nice because whenever you enter this strategy, the chances are very high that you will gain. And also here, if you watch the list of trades, we have 75% winner, 80% winners on the long side, 65% winners on the short side, 290 trades. And this is also, like it very much, is also a great strategy for the Nasdaq. Well, the next strategy is, the next market which is very fine for this strategy is the Euro Stoxx 50. The Euro Stoxx 50 is a very known, very famous index in Europe, which is the host for 50 of the biggest companies in Europe. You see that here we have some long signals last couple of weeks, and we have a check on our equity curve. We see this is a very upward sloping equity curve, very nice, very steady returns, very cool, because approximately, if you see that, there's only one drawdown of significance of approximately 4, 5, 6%, so, which is also a very nice number. Again, here the total number of trades. Here we have 180 trades, and you see 72% or so of them are winners, and it is as good on the long side as on the short side. And also here we have a very profitable system. Let's check the DAX. What is the DAX doing? It is here with the system. I'll see the last trade we made 2 or 3 scaling in steps. So we made three equal weighted position sizes. And what we see here is that the last trade was a loser trade, but the trade before they were all winners. And if we check here the equity curve, let's check it here. You see also this is a very cool, very steady upward sloping equity curve. We see this little hook, which was resulted from the loss here. But it's basically it is very fun equity curve as well, with very limited, with very, you see it here, with very few and very small drawdowns. Let's check the list of trade, and you will see 342 trades, and which are approximately 7% of them were winners. So this is the swing trading system which we are using in the bundle where you can subscribe for stock market indices, and this is the one of two strategies. With the other strategy is a very short-term pattern-based strategy, and I will show it to you in the next video.